Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel2A exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and exam. So Excel2A simulation exam is. So total question is 20 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is select the column B and C and then insert the two column. Use the flash fill to insert the category which the begin with the ornaments in the column B beginning with the cell B6. So right clicks and click the insert the two new column, and the next is insert the two new column. Use the flash fill to insert the category column. Use the insert the two column and use the flash fill to category with the ornaments. So type the ornament ENTS and press enter in the column B and beginning with the cell B6. So go to the home tabs and go to the dating groups and click the flash fill. Next is type a Brooklyn ornament in cell C6. So select the cell as C6 and type the Brooklyn or CELAIN Brooklyn ornaments and press enter. Use the flash fill to copy the products which begin the Brooklyn's ornaments down completing the column. So go to the home tabs and go to the dating groups and click the flash fill. Next is delete a column A. So select the column A, right clicks and click the delete. So question number 1 is complete and we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use cut and paste to move column C and show that it is the column G position G. Cut and paste the column, move column C and so select the column C, right clicks and click the cut column C and paste column G. Select the column G and go to the home tabs and click the paste column G. Next is delete the column C from the data worksheet. So select the column C is empty column and right clicks and click the delete column C. Next is autofit the width of column A to F. So select the column A to F and apply the autofit column. Is apply the double clicks, is apply the autofit column. So question number 2 is complete and we can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell J11 insert the function that will calculate the total profit for the range E6 to E35. J11 press enter. So select the cell is J11 and insert the function to calculate the total profit for the range. So type is equal to and type the sum function. Sum function is E6 to E35 and press enter. Next is in the cell J5 insert the function that will calculate the average price for the range C6 to C35. Select the cell as J5, press enter and insert the function that will calculate the average price for the range. So type is equal to and type the average function and range is C6 to C35 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete and we can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the cell J7 insert the function that will display the median price for the range C6 to C35. Select the cell as J7, press enter and insert the function that will calculate the median price for the range select the cell as J7 type is equal to and type the median function and the range is C6 to C35 and range is C6 to C35 and press enter. So question number 4 is complete and we can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in the cell J6 insert the function that will display the lowest price for the range C6 to C35. So type the J6, press enter and type is equal to and lowest price. So type the minimum function and range is C6 to C35 5 and close bracket, press enter. Next is in the cell J8 insert the function that will display the highest price for the range C6 to C35. Select the cell as J8, type is equal to and type the maximum function, range is C6 to C35 and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is move the content and formatting of the range H5 to J12 to B5 to D12. So type the range H5 to J12 and press enter and move the range B5 to D12. So move the range B5 to D12, move and drag and move the range B5 to D12 and release the left mouse button. Next is autofit column C to C and D. C and D, apply the autofit column. And next is to the range B5 to D9 apply the 20% ascent to set style. So copy the range B5 to D9 and paste the range, press enter and apply the 20% ascent cell style. go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the cell style is the 20% Asian 2 cell style, 20% Asian 2 cell style. So question number 6 is complete and we can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is merge the range B5 to B9 and change the orientation of the text in the cell B5 to 2022 degree. So type the range B5 to B9, press enter and merge the range B5 to B9 and then change the orientation of the text to the B5 to 2020. So right clicks and click the format cells and go to the alignment tabs and click the merge cells, merge the range B5 to B9 and change the orientation text to the B5 and degrees 2022 and then click OK. So question number 7 is complete and we can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is in the cell C9 type the stationery products and then press enter. So type the C9, press enter, type the stationery products and press enter. Next is in a cell D9 insert the function that will count the total number of stationery products available in the range A50 to A44. So type the D9, press enter, type is equal to and type the count functions. Open the count function dialog box. Open the count function dialog box. Range is A50 to A44 and criteria is stationery. So type the stationery, and then click OK. So question number 8 is complete and we can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is in a cell F5 insert the function that will automatically display the word discontinue if the value cell D52 less than D50 less than 1500 and text no changes if the value D50 greater than or equal to 1500. So move the question number 9 and select the cell F15 and D15 less than 50 hundreds and discontinue no changes and press enter. Fill the handles in cell F50 down to the F62 F44. So copy the range F62 F44. So question number 9 is complete and we can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is apply the conditional formatting to the selected range F50 to F44 so that if the cell within range contain the word discontinue, the cell text will be formatted dark red font color in the first column, first color under standard color, and change the fill color to the no color. So type the F50 to F44, press enter. So select the range F50 to F44 and go to the home tabs and go to the style groups. Click the conditional formatting is highlight text data content. So highlight text data content is type the discontinue and dark red font color in the first column is the first color under the standard color and change the fill color is the no color. So go to the custom formats and click the color is dark red, font color is the first column is the first color is the standard color dark red, and go to the fill color is no color. Click ok and again ok. Next is apply the conditional formatting to display the gradient field red data bar in the range D50 to D44. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and apply the conditional formatting to display the gradient field red data bar. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups. Click the conditional formatting is the conditional formattings. Go to the data bars and the red data bars and click the gradient fill red data bars. Click ok. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your exam and assignments.